Today we will discuss about explain the stationary waves in a structure string and hence reduce the loss of transfer wave in a structure string. So first of all, define stationary waves. So what is the stationary waves? Stationary waves is nothing but when a progressive wave strikes on a hard surface and is reflected, the incident wave and reflected wave are superimposed formed a standing waves. It is known as stationary waves. So here formation of stationary waves in structured string. First of all, what is a structured string? So structured string is nothing but, so let us consider here two rigid supports and let us consider a string. So its string is fixed the rope fixed the two rigid supports of the rigid supports. So this is the structured string. So and formation of stationary waves in a structured string. So according to definition, stationary waves. So here let us consider here the incident wave incident on rigid support, and after incidence it is refracted wave is retraced back in the opposite direction or superimposed formed a standing waves or stationary waves. So here the when was the amplitude is minimum, so here also amplitude is minimum, here also amplitude is minimum, then they form the nodes. First of all, what is the amplitude? Amplitude is nothing but the maximum displacement from the direction of wave propagation. It is known as amplitude. So here when was the amplitude is maximum? When was the amplitude is maximum? So then they here form the antinodes. So here the distance between any two nodes or two antinodes is equal to lambda by 2. So and next modes of vibrations of a structured string. So here first harmonic. So what is the harmonic? The integral multiple of fundamental frequencies is known as harmonics. So here the string vibrates in a loop. So here then there it is formed the single loop. So it is a rigid support, it is a structured string. So when was the structured string is plucked middle of the string, so here produced the transfer waves. So its transfer waves are formed the superimposed formed a stationary waves or standing waves. So here two waves are directions is always opposite along with the direction of wave propagation. So here also the distance between the two antinodes lambda by 2. So here length of the string L equal to lambda 1 by 2. So here lambda 1 equal to 2L. We know that fundamental frequency of a wave nu1 equal to V by lambda 1. So here nu1 is a fundamental frequency and V is a speed of wave. Lambda 1 is the distance between the any two crests or troughs. It is known as wavelength. So we can write, so nu1 equal to V by 2L. So here lambda 1 equal to 2L. Its value substitute in equation number 1. So we know that the speed of transfer wave in a structured string V equal to under root T by nu. So its value, the speed of transfer wave in a structured string value is substitute in equation number 1. So nu1 equal to 1 by 2L into under root T by nu. So nu1 equal to, this is the final equation. This frequency is known as fundamental frequency or first harmonic. Next we are going to second harmonic. Here the string is vibrates in a structured string. So then there it is formed the two loops. Here formed the two loops. So here also applicable to stationary waves and standing wave. So here form the three nodes and two antinodes. So here the distance between the any two nodes lambda 2 by 2 and lambda 2 by 2. The total length of the string L equal to lambda 2 by 2 plus lambda 2 by 2. So here total length 2 lambda 2 by 2. So lambda 2 value we can find lambda 2 value, derive the lambda 2 value equal to 2L by 2. So its value is substitute in fundamental frequency of the second harmonic nu2 equal to V by lambda 2. So here we can solve this equation. Finally nu2 equal to 2 new one. So here this value is equal to first harmonic. This value 1 by 2L under root T by nu is equal to first harmonic. So we can write nu 2 equal to nu 1. So and next this frequency is known as second harmonic or first overtone. So and next we are going to third harmonic in a stretched string. So hence the stretched string vibrates in a transfer waves, like then they formed the 3 loops. So here first loop, second loop and third loop. So here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here form the 4 modes and 3 anti-nodes. So the distance between nodes, the distance between any two nodes, lambda by 2. So in this case third harmonic lambda 3 by 2, lambda 3 by 2, lambda 3 by 2. The total length of the string L equal to lambda 3 by 2, lambda 3 by 2 plus lambda 3 by 2. So total value 3 lambda 3 by 2. So we can write lambda 3 value 2L by 3 and its value is substitute in fundamental frequency of third harmonic wave nu 3 equal to V by lambda 3. So its value is calculated or simplified after. So nu 3 equal to 3 into 1 by 2L under root T by nu. So here also its value is equal to the first harmonic. Nu 1 equal to 1 by 2L under root T by nu. So we can write nu 3 equal to 3 into nu 1. So this frequency is known as third harmonic or second overtone. So we can conclusion, we can write the ratio of the first harmonic, second harmonic and third harmonic. One nu 1 is to 1, 2 nu 2 is to 3 nu 3 dash 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 n harmonics. The total value is 1 is to 2 is to 3. So here the fundamental frequency at first overtone, second overtone and third overtone is natural numbers. And next topic is, and he is reduced to the laws of transfer waves in a stretched string. So here first law we can say that, so the fundamental frequency is always inversely proportional to the length of the string and remaining tension in the string and linear density of the string are constant. So second law we can say that the fundamental frequency is directly proportional to square root of the string in a stretched string and remaining length of the string and linear density of the string are constant. So and last one is third law is express that the fundamental frequency is always inversely proportional to the square root of the density of the linear density of the string. So remaining length of the string and tension in the string are constant. This is the very important question in the board examination, 8 marks. Thank you.